Hello everyone. My name is Singh. I am from India, Uttarakhand. I have lived in Malta for 3 years. As a foreigner, I have to say that I've truly enjoyed my experience here. From the warm hospitality of the Maltese people to the rich history and culture, everything about this country has been wonderful. I've found that Malta offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, making it an ideal place to live, work, and explore. I'm grateful for the opportunities I've had here and appreciate the welcoming community that makes everyone feel at home. While the statement suggests a comparison to Ireland, Malta's unique characteristics, such by various cultures, set it apart shopping. And then today I have off, so I go out. Then we visit Indian grocery to see what item. There is Bacchus. This is new shop. You can find all Indian item here. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.